Ýagşymyradowyň in the dark blue. To the gloves. Wheel kick landed on the chest there. McCarthy, how'd you feel about round one? What's it scored like?
You know, it was a slow round for both fighters. A lot of feeling out. The big shots, the heavy shots were all landed by Ýagşymyradowyň. So
do is utilize his jab, utilize things. He already has to switch stance because those calf kicks, I'm trying to tell you, they add up. Right now you see an overhand, power overhand, and you're going to see a calf kick come right after that because they look similar as you go.
Döwletjan Ýagşymyradowyň appears to have secured his
clinching their place in the playoffs, Döwletjan Ýagşymyradowyň.
Unanimous decision victory means Döwletjan Ýagşymyradowyň is still chasing a $1 million championship in 2024. He has clinched a spot in the first light heavyweight to do so on the card tonight.